Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to insert page number in your Microsoft Word document. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be had a Microsoft Word document and you want to insert or add page number. In order to do that, you need to click here in your Microsoft Word Insert tab, and then in the right side you're going to find here something say page number. If you click there is a bunch of options to set page number. Do you like to set the page number on top, bottom, or page margin, or current position? Let me make here if we choose the top of page, and there is a different plain number 2, plain number 2, or page of X of Y, like this. You can choose any of them. Let me make here plain number 3, and then you're going to see there is a appear page number in my Word document. Now you can see this is a page number 1. If I scroll down, there is a page number 2, and there is a page number 3. So this is really quite interesting. You can see I had successfully added page number. Let me share you to something inside this page number. If you might be decide to removing this page number 1, and let's keep the 2, 3, and you don't want to appear the page number 1. For that, what you have to do, just double click over on it, and then you can see the header and footer option going to be appear. From here, if you decide to hide this page number 1, what you have to do, you need to click here this different first page. For example, if I check this, and now you will notice that page number 1 number is disappear, but the other number 2 and number 3 is appear, which is really quite interesting. Now if I go back here, and if you decide to add new page, just we're going to click here insert, and then we're going to click here blank page. Now you can see it's automatically appear page number 2, and then page number 3, and then page number 4, which is really quite interesting. Within this we can easily insert page number in your Word document. Now one thing's more, you might be had a different section in this tired Word document. For that, for example, you can see this is, we know this is page number 1, and this is page number 2, and this is page number 3, but I want to let's this instead of page number 3, let's just start new season. You might be different from page style or different number, or from beginning. For that, what you have to do, you need to click this. First of all, you bring your cursor over upper side this page, and then go here layout. After click over layout, you're going to find here something say break. After click over break, you're going to find here something say section break. We're going to click here next page. Now here you can see now if you want to start a new page number from here, what you have to do, you need to click here insert, and then you're going to click here page number. After click over page number, you need to click here format page number. After click over format page number, you need to click here started. You can make here start from 10, start from 15, or let's start from 1. So let me make here 1, and then let me make here okay. Now you will notice in this page, now it's appear page number 1 and 2. You can see this is the page number 1, and this is the page number 2. Actually previously we had hide the page 1, so for that you have to just uncheck this different first page, and that's going to be appear the first page is number 1. Also, if you want to return back here page number 1 and page number 2, you can do it. Now you can see, scroll down, you can see here again start page 1, 2. If I make here again insert a new page, just make here a blank page, you can see that's start a new page. So this is really quite interesting. Now you might be decide to completely remove page number from your Microsoft Word document. For that, what you need to do, you need to click here in same insert tab and go here page number, and then you're going to find here something say remove page number. If you click remove page number, all the page number is going to be removed from your Microsoft Word document. So within this we can easily insert page number or removing page number or modified page number. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.